In our last video, we talked about the importance of overcoming financial fear. Today, we're diving into a crucial step towards financial freedom: budgeting. Let's break down the basics and get you started on a path to financial stability. The first step is to understand your financial picture. This means tracking your income and expenses. Use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or even a simple notebook to keep track of where your money is going. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, it's time to set some goals. What do you want to achieve? Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or building an emergency fund, having specific goals will keep you motivated. Now let's create your budget. Start by listing your income sources. Then categorize your expenses into areas like housing, transportation, food, utilities, and entertainment. Allocate a portion of your income to each category based on your priorities. Sticking to a budget takes discipline. Here are some tips. Be realistic. Don't set unrealistic expectations. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending. Find ways to save. Look for opportunities to save money like coupons or discounts. Reward yourself. Celebrate your successes to stay motivated. Remember, life is full of unexpected changes. It's important to review and adjust your budget regularly. If you receive a raise or experience unexpected expenses, make the necessary adjustments to keep your finances on track. Budgeting may seem challenging at first, but with consistency and discipline, you can take control of your finances. By understanding your income and expenses, setting goals, and creating a budget, you're well on your way to financial freedom. Remember, small steps can lead to big changes.